Welcome to North Shore University Health System Sterile Processing, where we provide support to as many as 50 OR suites system-wide. Sterile Processing also supports over 35,000 surgical cases annually, processes over 200,000 trays per year, processes over 6 million instruments, devices per year, and also supports 93 clinics and procedural areas. Our main focus is quality, education, and process improvement. We have partnered with 5 local colleges to bring in new graduates and use all of our diversity efforts to bring people from differing backgrounds into the medical field. With that being said, we are the heart of the hospital and we have many opportunities to change the game.
It's nice to be the SPD of the year because it brings and it shines light on sterile processing. It allows people to find out more about our department.
It's definitely a life-changing career. Now, I like to tell my team that we indirectly have a direct impact on patient care.
I've been here for 4 months. This gives me a whole new, view into what care is, and this is top-level care. And from what we do in the SPD, it cannot be quantified.
It's always an ever-changing area or field to work in, and it's just interesting to see something that you would learn how to process last year is not the same way you process it this year. So it's just continued education within yourself, and it challenges you to grow yourself.
We've made a lot of changes, but it's definitely been beneficial. Patient care is very important to us, and I think our team has definitely done everything that we need to do to ensure that we are providing that.
The processes matter because we have to be able to know the processes, but also speak to the why. Because historically, employees just do what they were told. Then knowing the why makes a complete difference because they begin to understand it, and then it clicks, and then it's not just a routine that they're doing, but there's meaning and purpose behind their actions.
It's the backbone of the hospital, like what I do. This helps our missing instrumentation go down. The organization from this aspect helps the technicians come find everything that, say if something went out broken, they can come replace it easily back here.
We sit and we actually discuss our processes and discuss exactly what we're going to do about just the processes daily instead of just saying this is what we're going to do. It's always a discussion about everything as a team, and I love the teamwork.
You fall in love with it. I joined a team and found an organization with technicians, leaders, and administrators who had the same passion that I have for sterile processing. And I think that's what's made us such a great facility and sterile processing department.
What we contribute to the patient's procedure and the successful outcome of the patient, it means everything to me. I take pride in, as a manager, that I have a team of employees that they come with the best intention and they come prepared to do the right thing because they know they're not doing it for themselves, but they're doing it for the patients.